Shosho guys, welcome back to Qumbu Podcast. My name is Sabelo and today I'm standing in for Umtoko and today we have a very interesting guest like Dallas Funguba na show but due to izinto like I think I'm a data clash but today we have Uneli, a fashion designer Qumbu lana. So uzositshela nje story sakhe ukuthi maybe ufound kanjani into fashion and nanokuthi maybe ithini iplan yakhe ufuna uyithathe isephle. So Uneli, welcome to Qumbu Podcast. Unjani?
Thank you, Bhuti. Ndiyaphila Nkosazana.
Ngiyaphila. Finally wafika kuQumbu Podcast. We've been planning since 2023.
Since when?
Oh, actually maybe ngaxelela abantu Uneli ke wafika kuQumbu Podcast ngo-2023 but asikhona ukurecorda because saba ne-issue on that day. But ke today ufikile namhlanje ke and uinterviewa yimina ke namhlanje. Maybe bekudaliwe.
I'm so happy to be here.
Okay, before maybe siyakude, maybe can you tell us your story? Maybe uthi Uneli uzalwe lephi, like where you from like Qumbu like original maybe noma you are not from Qumbu, maybe ufanele nami. Where you from like Qumbu?
I'm born and bred apha kuQumbu, lapha kuQumbu,
Okay.
lapha kuQumbu. Ilali zikamama zikoDebeza esikathatha zisebhasi.
Oh, Debeza, yeah.
Esikathatha zisebhasi. Mama tata babetshatile ndingumntana womtshato. But then ke upbringing yam utata wahlala kulo mama. Yabo wahlala ebukhweni ngokwesiXhosa. But then ke uyazazi ke izinto ezithethwa ngabantu ngendoda ehlala ebukhweni. It's something that's not usual. Ayiqhelekanga. So abantu sozanganganando yothetha about that. So ke upbringing yam leyo ndikhulele apha kuQumbu, ndafunda apha kuQumbu, Little Flower, grade 1 to grade 12.
Product is a flower.
Yes.
Okay.
The product of Mr. Kondlo. Shine, Mr. Kondlo, wherever you are. So yeah, that's my upbringing, that's my life.
Okay, so this passion of yours le fashion you found also flower noma maybe ufumane after school and maybe intona do you bona maybe when ube ne-interest fashion because like abantu from Qumbu like akuyona into eqhelekile lakho umuntu ethi uzoba i-fashion designer because abantu abaningi bafunda lama course usual ajwayelekile becoming a teacher, a doctor, a lawyer. Lama course okuyiwona abazali abawaqhelile and maybe abazali bakho like baba ababanga na issue mabathi ufuna ukuba i-fashion designer.
The fashion I guess it's just something that uThixo anizele yona nje. Yabo, it's my calling because in the end iqale ngisemncinci ukhula kwami ndandithanda ukuthi ngoba ngithishwa eklasini ndizobe impahla zika teacher nto nangaye ngifake engqondweni leyo nto le ndandibethwa for ukwenza loo. And then ke ngoku ndathanda ukuya eholideyini ke to this other friend of mine eKhamastoko Lindo Kuhle Manyamalala. So kumama going in magazines mama wakhe collect magazines, I would take as magazines this weekend based and there's a poster, fashion posters and whatnot. Ezinye izinto ndiyazoba ndiyathi so into ye-fashion yaqala ndisemncinci kakhulu and then ndakhula nayo because Lindo Kuhle was like ukuthiwa vele wenza i-fashion design because it seems like you're very good at this. I ndayicinga ekhuleni kwami I was very much interested kuyo yabo ndaba interested ngoyela I've never imagined myself as a doctor or a lawyer or anything. I've never imagined myself as that.
And did you pick up i-passion yakho nesikole noma what you just follow i-talent and passion?
I did a fashion design in Mandela University. That's when I became like fully hands-on with the fashion.
So you are a qualified fashion designer?
Yes, I am a qualified fashion designer. The teacher in Nelson Mandela University. Shine, Nelson Mandela University, shine.
And maybe what do you think about abantu abanethalente then abantu abayesikoleni for bayela leyo nto leyo? Do you think it is important ukuthi umuntu maybe something akhe back up ngesikolo else umuntu must just go for your passion?
It's important that you back up in your school. It's very important that you back up in your school because izinto ezininzi zihamba ngamaphepha, yabo. You need to have that certificate sakho. They need to say certificate sakho sikhonyiwe bayidongile office. Yabona, there's also things like sponsorships that you can get. They need to see that you know what you are doing. Yabo also ukwazi ukuphelele nje ekwenze umsebenzi wezandla ungabi nalo iphepha elitsho ba lona umuntu uyawenza umsebenzi wezandla siyamazi.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Isikolo sibalulekile.
But I have a small issue about especially ama-varsity like iba khona lo training abaningi because usually ama-varsity abantu abaningi babuya nama-diploma nama-degree but thothi abana zero experience and stuff. So wena kule career yakhe fashion maybe ikhona something training abakuprovide yona beside ukuba naleli phepha uphuma nalo esikoleni.
Yes, khona i-training, kunyanzelekile i-training. Uyathatha usuke kwi-field, uyobona into yobana capable na, and they are also like bakulungiselela the future, yabo. So uyayenza i-training for 3 months and then ke ngoku ubuye ke ngoku to finish up. I'll certify ungayenza i-training.
Okay.
I'll certify ungayenza i-training.
So part of i-degree leyo.
Exactly, a part of it. And also naphayana xa esikolweni xa sisebenzayo, we work with, you know, like different schools. We have fashion shows, funeka uthunge, have a range, enzela into yobana ubone into yobana i-fashion industry ihamba kanjani, yabo. They teach all that process, the production process, the process of, you know, shows, the process of, you know, i-training yenziwa even during, you know, isikolo eso sihambayo, because kuye kufuneka into yoba xa uzawusubmit i-range, kwenziwe i-fashion show, rehearsals, zonke ezaa zinto. And also they also teach you even the business side of fashion.
Yeah, because I think all fashion design nama-entrepreneurs in there, because
Yes.
you have to run your own thing and mele wazi ukuthi business run kanjani. Besides the talent and all the stuff, I think entrepreneurship baleka kakhulu side lane.
Ibaluleke kakhulu i-entrepreneurship, because into ezakwenzeka kuba when xa ibhizinesi iyafana nomntwana, funeka umfeed.
I know exactly
Funeka
what you're
umfeed, funeka umfeed.
Yeah, it's great.
Azokhula, funeka umfeed
Training.
azokhula.
Training.
Yabo. And then also anento ndibonileyo ke Sabelo, like there's few years and the venture for the in the fashion business is that you, as a fashion designer or mhlawumbi umuntu self-employed, it's important to have like different sources of income. Different sources of income, because le izawungena ngoku ye-business, le uzawwenza personal things zayo ngayo.
And you don't know what next check is nini.
You don't know when the next check is coming. You are hungry. You don't have shoes. You don't have toiletries.
And you still have to pay rent and all the stuff.
Exactly.
Moba, if you are renting for your business, you still have to pay rent. So.
Exactly. And also now I have to be like umntu obonakalayo, into yobana fashion.
Yes.
I have to have photo shoots. I have to have whatnot. And as photo shoot, you have them outdoors sometimes. We are late for a photo shoot because you saw a nice background.
And we have to pay.
Exactly.
Osabelo,
You have
I'm a
to pay
photographer.
Osabelo, I have to pay your driver, I have to
Pay my models.
pay my models, I have to make food for my models, because I'm
Yeah, it is a lot.
so i-fashion business yona shame, it's nice. Andifuni noqala kumandi kwenje ukwenza impahla, kumandi ukwenza impahla. I think noba mhlawumbi kuba mna into endiyithandayo.
Yeah.
Yabo, kumandi ukwenza impahla.
Because masibona ama-outfits and like they look fancy and nice and stuff. So we think now yonke into yakhona i-soft, nice, because masinibona nihamba lapha kuma-stage kuma-runway like ngathi i-cool inaleyo nto ye-fashion.
Uyasazi stress
Yeah.
emva. Yasazi stress emva, like at the back. That's why zonke izinto esizenzayo thina like for fashion sizenza le emva, and then siza apha phambili ebantwini sesi-right. We go through a lot. We go through a lot. It's not like ezipahla ezikwenza nje just something ezaba simple. You have to like have quality clothes. Inside and outside. That's a process. That's money. So process, money, phuma imali, then funeka ingene imali ebezawuba ngaphezulu ibiphuma. You understand? So fashion yona, it's a venture that anyone can go through. It's a venture that anyone can go through and go on about it, because it's very vast. You can teach someone, you can make clothes for someone, you make clothes for yourself.
So tell me, which year now decide khona ukuthi maybe ube ne-brand, like uqale into yakho ube ne-brand ube negama elaziwa, and maybe igama livelaphi? Milani, like,
Okay.
what does it mean?
Brand Yam, I started it in 2016, mid 2016. Kamala Milani. It's named after Unyana Wam.
Okay.
Yes. The fashion brand itself, it's based on youth, heritage, and motherhood. We are very hands-on with kakhulu youth even nempahla yethu xa uyibona, it's very youthful, it's very
colourful.
vibrant, very colorful. Yes. It screams youth, it screams heritage, it screams culture, it screams belonging and knowing yourself. So i-brand ndiqale in 2016. Da showcase in different shows, collective fashion show Nelson Mandela 2017. Da showcase kwi-Makofe,
Bloemfontein?
Bloemfontein.
Okay.
Bloemfontein, sorry. Makofe, I've showcased in Cape Town Fashion Council in 2017, yes, and 2017. So I've also hosted a couple of shows, NAM.
Those are big stages.
Really?
Yes. Because I know KZN Fashion Council, I attend the show. So when you showcase, we are Cape Town.
We are Cape Town.
Yeah, because there's one in KZN.
Oh, there's one in KZN.
Yes.
And KZN, for
But I know that brand, like
Yeah.
the Fashion Council, that is one of the biggest.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And for the training and conditions.
And maybe can you tell us, maybe like abantu abaya from London Fashion, maybe how long does it take maybe to prepare for one show as a designer? Like maybe prepare one garments, like how long before you show? Maybe like is it 6 months, 3 months, maybe?
When you're planning a show, you plan it from the beginning of the year.
Yes.
When I plan at the beginning of the year. How plan a show, you have to have, couple of meetings. You have to have. I've done it again. I've done my shows without any sponsors from any company or anything, without any sponsors. But it's something that's doable. But you need to put your mind to it.
So you need a whole year
Exactly.
for your preparation.
You need to prepare thoroughly. A show is not something that you just wake up and think, oh, tomorrow I'm doing a fashion show, I can't wait. No, you have to recruit models, you have to find media, you have to find MCs, you have to find makeup artists, and you have to pay for all of those things. You have to pay for all of those things. So it's important to have like abantu okwazi usebenzisana nabo, like in the fashion industry, because that process kuyaxatyanwa kuthiweni, but when you have a team, a good team, people obaziyo uba you can rely on these people, yabo, it makes things even more easier for you, yabo, ikuphungulele umthwalo. But then to be the pinky, the brains to all of it, it's training. It comes with a lot of stress, but
Yeah, I can imagine.
it's a stress that I like. It's a stress that I like.
Because passion.
Yes, it's a stress that I like. It's a stress that I don't. Andifuni nobe ndiyifake engqondweni, ndihleli ndizawuyenza anyways. Yabo. So planning a show is not easy, and it's not for the faint-hearted. My last fashion show, apha kuQumbu umnyaka 2023.
Yeah, I think it was 2023
December. Was it 2023?
I think so.
Being 2023 December, ne?
Yeah. Or 2024.
Or 2024?
I'm not sure. Between those two.
But
it was a long time ago. But I remember
it was
the
a
show.
long time. But my last show, like I did promote the show, promote it all over town, had
Yes,
flyers,
you did.
had everything. But people didn't show up. We performed for ourselves, but eyona nto endiyithandayo yazi into yobana kwasuka abantu from Umtata beze kwishow yam, but thank you. Abalapha abantu bafunayo kanye. Ayi.
Yo, Qumbu, people can do better.
So i-support.
Yeah.
I-support yedolophu. Ncane kabi.
But one thing I noticed ngalo issue yakho because I was there, the support oyithola from ifamily yakho. I think that is one of the
models of my family. My sister, she cooked beautiful meals, such nice food. Uziqonde indlela esasibambalwa ngayo people bogoduka nesikhaftini takeaways.
I was one of those I remember.
Uziqonde like people really didn't show up. I guess that andiyazi man apha kule dolophu we need more youth, we need more vibrant youth, focused, with a focused mind. Because eyona support mna endiyifumanayo njengoba usitsho ifamily, yabo ifamily, even ke nakwiimpahla zam, most of the things that I display zizinto zabantwana basekhaya, sisters zam, zizinto zikamama, yabo. But ke in terms of business, ba-supportive shem abantu bakuqumbu abo nabo ke.
But they don't come to the shows.
No.
So usually lapha kuqumbu podcast siqhela interview ama-artist like besitshela nge-procedure about music ngayo and stuff. Maybe wena lento qala from something from scratch, because mina I'm always curious abantu aba-creative, because nami umuntu we-art like ifika njani maybe into just ukuthi uqale something from scratch, into efika ngama-trends akhona else uvele nje uqale something ukuthi no okay today ngifuna ukwenza i-shirt, maybe ngizoyidesign ime kanje, maybe uqala kwi-drawing uyibhale phansi like iqala kanjani, maybe nje you can take us through i-process yonke le yakhona.
It's called a conceptualization process. You need to have a concept, yabo, and i-concept yakho, what does it entail, yabo? Mhlambi i-concept yakho culture, tradition, or motherhood. So what entails your concept? You have to communicate that visually through fashion. That's what I do. I communicate visually through fashion. Yabo. Unale concept unayo, ufuneke ke ngoku apha kule nto empahleni yakho ibonakale, uyibone, and be able to explain. Umuntu xa ebuza uba yintoni ke ngoku engakwenza uba wenze le shirt kanje, yabo. You have to explain that, and then get it drawing. It comes at a stage where you have to scamper. Process to is scamper process. Uyazoba le nto izobileyo kuqala uyayiprocessa nayo. Le uyenze yankulu, uyenze ibe ncinci, le uyenze ibe ncinci, uyenze ibe nkulu. And then kwale design uyibona uba izawuba njani na ebhulukhweni, izawuba njani elokhweni, yabo. It's a long process. Awuvele ufike kwi-production, you do draw, you go to your drawing board and uyizobe into lena uba izawuba into kanjani, ifuna ibe into enjani. Yeah.
And yazi abantu abaningi bathi ama-design ayabiza, like when do you come to pricing, because impahla zenu vele impahla is exclusive to ama-customer, but abantu abaningi bathi no, mina ngeke ngiwanxiba ama-design because those people there, they are very expensive.
Bayabiza. Of course we are expensive.
Okay, uyavuma na.
Of course we are expensive. Design yam, it's my thinking, it's my skill, it's my certificate, it's my machines. Yabona, it's my threads, it's my needle. Yabo. Of course you're gonna have to pay like good money for it.
Yeah.
At least. You know, you have to be generous about into endiwenzileyo yona, yabo.
Sure, maybe sesivala ibaphi maybe abantu ofocus ekubona, mhlambe ufocus abantu abenza imishado, abantu abafuna i-script or else accommodate wonke umuntu, maybe not to have i-office abantu abangithola kubona abaqumbi ababuke le podcast abafuna ukuza bezobuza ezinye izinto maybe ongamentionanga la interview, bakuthola kanjani abantu?
Ndiyafumaneka ku-Facebook, Neliseka Kwanele Chonto Design. We also have a Facebook page, Milani Ayama. We search on Instagram. I have an Instagram handle, Neliseka_Kwanele. I-target market yam, I don't want to say I have a specific target market, yeah, but because I make clothes for kids, I make clothes for old people, I make clothes, let's say from 5 years to 65, yeah, but
Okay.
5 years to 65 years, yeah, but that's my target market. I can make garments zomtshado, I can make garments zomngcwabo, I can make garments zecawe, I can make garments zabafana, I can make garments workwear also.
Nelly, thanks for coming to Uqumbu podcast. Sifisela inhlanhla yathi ibhizinisi lakho lingakhula.
Thank you so much.
Namaklayenti aserious abantu abazonezithenda maybe ushaye like
Ndingevumi.
wonke unxibise wonke umuntu
Oh,
because
Nkosi.
sifuna ukuyibona iMilan like sibone nalapha mase sibone ama TV screen lapha sithi no brand yaqumbule so all the
Thank you
best.
so much. Thank you so much for having me. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Nazo nina blessings.
Okay.
Thank you.
So guys, thanks for watching ishow yenu Uqumbu podcast. As I said, today I'm standing in for Umthoko, so Umthoko akekho but uyena umuntu host yale show. Sekhona ku Facebook, isikhona na ku YouTube. Abantu abasubscribe Uqumbu podcast. We are interested in your story. Our way out.
Peace.
My day, ilang alam. This is my day, ilang alam me. Man, I really made it, yeah, and I hope to make it there. Ilang alam. My day, ilang alam. This is my day, ilang alam me. Man, I really made it, yeah, and I hope to make it there. Yo, it's funny every day that it's